Let's welcome female candidate number 2, Paloma Lavinia de la Cruz, representing grade 7.
English teacher, takabala. Go.
Honing our talent isn't just about growth. It's a powerful tool for strengthening our mental health. As we develop our skills, we don't just gain competence, we build confidence. This boosts our self-worth, helping us face challenges with resilience and strength. It also provides an outlet for creativity, reducing stress, and promoting emotional balance. Every new skill we master reminds us of our potential, reinforcing that we are capable, valuable, and unstoppable. By honing our talent, we unleash a force within ourselves, one that no challenge or setback can ever defeat. Thank you.
Let's welcome female candidate number 3, Liza Iles Bonilla, representing STV.